Hello grade 1-2s, welcome to our last science lesson of term 3. Now this is actually going to be a fairly short video because I want you to have a little bit of time to work on your activity today, but it is going to be a bit of a fun, last week of the term activity, and I'm curious to see what you guys come up with. Now, to do this activity, you're going to need the week 10 activity page on your booklet. This is the last page, and you should have a big empty space here where you're going to draw something for me and some lines down the bottom where you're going to write. Okay, now I'll read the instructions here for you and then we'll talk a little bit about them. So it says, draw a picture of your own made up dinosaur. So this is a fake one. You get to make up your own dinosaur, okay? And I want you to think about what features it will have, okay? What teeth will it have? Why? What type of defenses will it have to protect itself from predators? Draw a picture of this pretend dinosaur. Name it, label it, and write a bit about it at the bottom of the page. All right, let's have a think about this. We've learned about quite a few different dinosaurs, but more specifically, we've learned about the features that some dinosaurs have. For example, we've learned about dinosaurs that have sharp canine teeth that are meat eaters. So if your dinosaur is a meat eater, then it should have those type of teeth. But if your dinosaur is a plant eater, then it would have to have either incisors or molars for chewing. Okay, so you need to have a think about those. What does your dinosaur eat? And your picture should have that there. Okay. Now, also, we talked about dinosaur defenses. Okay, how does your dinosaur protect itself? Perhaps it has claws, like a velociraptor. Or maybe it has horns, like a triceratop, or a big piece of like armored plate around its head, or maybe it's got armor on its back. Maybe it has spikes. Maybe it has a club on its tail. Maybe it's like the Stegosaurus that can scare things away by looking big and scary with its spiked tail as well. You get to choose, okay? Now, I know you guys, none of us are professionals. We're not going to be able to draw amazing, realistic pictures, but we can still make really awesome pictures that I can see the features of. Okay, so I should be able to look at your dinosaur and tell some things about it. Oh, I can see it defends itself this way. I can see its spikes on the tail. I can see, oh, it's got big eyes. Maybe it's really good at seeing predators as they get close by. Or maybe it's got larger ears so that it can hear things clearly and escape from them. Maybe its color helps it hide in jungles. Maybe it's I don't know, you get to decide. Think of all different features that animals could have. Is it a two-legged dinosaur? Like is it walk on two legs, or does it walk on four legs? Does it have more than four? You get to choose. I want you to be a bit creative. But whatever you pick, I want you to try and label it for me. So, draw a little line and say, this is big eyes or like spiky tail, whatever. Okay, label it for me, give it its name, and then down the bottom here, I want you just to write a little bit about this dinosaur that you've made up. Justify it. It's like, if you say it's a meat eater, but it doesn't have meat-eating teeth, I'm going to be like, well, that doesn't make sense. But you can say, no, this is a dinosaur that actually can maybe be near lakes in the water and can go underwater like a bit of a crocodile type thing and is good at blending into the reeds. I don't know. You tell me a little bit about your made up dinosaur. Okay? So draw a cool, interesting picture, write about the features of your pretend dinosaur, and then if you'd like, you can actually get your parents or something. You can take a picture and email me your work. However, I will be collecting these booklets as well. Okay, from next term when you guys all come in, I will get all of these booklets so I can see everyone's work then as well. All right, a bit of creativity there, a bit of artistic design. So come up with something interesting. Demonstrate to me that you understand how different features and dinosaur features work. And that is your task for our last science lesson of the term. I want you to take your time with this. I want this to be a good picture. It should still easily take you another 25 minutes, which will make this a half-hour lesson easy. So work hard, and I'm very interested to see what you guys come up with. All right, guys, thank you very much, and I will see you all later.